Security footage from July 2020 captured a startling moment at a local food shop when a large decorative glass panel suddenly shattered behind a woman working near the counter. As she was focused on cleaning, the glass burst without warning, sending shards across the area. The loud impact caused her to react instantly and move to safety. This incident serves as a crucial reminder to remain aware of your surroundings, even in familiar settings. It highlights how materials like tempered glass can fail due to internal stress or improper installation. For business owners, it underscores the necessity of proactive maintenance and regular facility inspections to protect staff and customers. Such unexpected events happen in the blink of an eye, proving that routine safety checks are essential for a secure environment. This footage captures a sudden and hazardous incident at an active construction zone where a severe technical failure caused a heavy object to fall from a height, impacting those below. The event unfolded so quickly that pedestrians and vehicles had no time to react. In the immediate aftermath, bystanders and workers rushed to provide emergency assistance. This tragic accident serves as a critical reminder for construction teams to strictly adhere to safety barriers and establish restricted safety corridors separated from public walkways. For the public, maintaining high situational awareness near cranes or scaffolding is vital. Choosing alternative routes is always the safest option. Everyone must beware of safety blind spots and never stand under suspended loads. Even if structures appear stable, the area directly beneath overhead work remains a high-risk zone that demands constant vigilance. This footage captures a distressing moment at a metal fabrication facility when a worker was operating near a large stack of suspended steel pipes. Suddenly, the overhead support failed, causing the heavy materials to collapse directly onto the worker, resulting in an impact that caused critical injuries. This incident serves as a powerful wake-up call regarding occupational safety in high-risk environments. It reminds us of the vital importance of strict adherence to safety protocols, including rigorous inspections of equipment and personal protective equipment. Constant situational awareness is non-negotiable, as complacency near heavy machinery can have life-altering consequences. Ultimately, we must build a safety-first culture where every team member stays vigilant. No task is so urgent that it cannot be done safely. Let's prioritize our well-being so everyone returns home. This security footage captures a serious incident involving a commercial truck and a residential structure. While passing through an active area, the vehicle struck a critical support beam, causing the roof to collapse onto an individual below. The sudden nature of the event serves as a jarring reminder of the risks present when heavy machinery operates near people, highlighting a lapse in spatial awareness. Drivers must remain fully aware of vehicle dimensions and structural clearances at all times. Operating large vehicles in populated zones requires maximum focus, reduced speeds, and strict adherence to safety protocols. This event underscores the vital importance of maintaining safe distances from structural supports. Staying alert is the first line of defense against such accidents. This footage captures a sudden, high-risk incident at an active construction site where a heavy object unexpectedly fell from an upper floor at high velocity. Despite the crew wearing standard safety helmets, the sheer force created a critical emergency that unfolded in seconds. This event serves as a serious reminder that strict adherence to safety protocols is non-negotiable. Key lessons include establishing exclusion zones with clear signage, inspecting heavy-duty safety netting, and maintaining constant situational awareness. While hard hats are essential, they are only a last line of defense. Engineering controls like tow boards and debris screens are the primary factors in preventing hazards. We hope these insights encourage a stronger safety culture so every worker returns home safely. In an industrial setting, a worker operating a large wending machine bypassed safety zones and touched a high-speed rotating shaft. Without protective guards, their clothing became entangled, pulling them into the machinery. This incident highlights that neglecting safety leads to life-altering consequences. To stay safe, never remove machine guards designed to block dangerous moving parts. Maintain a safe distance and never adjust spindles or conveyors until they have come to a complete stop. Always wear proper attire. Avoid loose clothing, jewelry, or long hair that poses an entanglement risk. Stay vigilant and strictly follow standard operating procedures (SOPs) to avoid lapses in judgment. Safety is not an option, it is an absolute requirement to ensure you return home safely every day. This footage captures a severe industrial accident involving a gantry crane during a heavy equipment lifting operation, highlighting several critical safety oversights. The primary cause was the misalignment of the lifting hook with the load's center of gravity, which triggered immediate instability upon ascent. Furthermore, the narrow wheelbase of the gantry crane was insufficient to counteract the pendulum effect created by the unbalanced load. As the equipment was raised, inertia caused it to swing violently into the crane's structural support, leading to a catastrophic cable failure and the equipment crashing to the floor. This incident serves as a vital reminder to ensure precision rigging by centering the hoist over the mast, verifying equipment ratings for dynamic forces, and strictly adhering to OSHA protocols to prevent such workplace tragedies. In a busy mechanical workshop, a routine maintenance task on a compact skid steer loader nearly turned fatal. A technician in a green t-shirt was positioned directly beneath the raised rear lift arms, while an older colleague in a black shirt assisted nearby. Without warning, the hydraulic system failed, causing the massive metal arms to plummet and pin the technician to the chassis. His colleague's desperate attempt to lift the equipment by hand proved futile, but other workers quickly rushed to the scene, eventually managing to lift the frame and free the trapped man. This harrowing incident highlights critical safety imperatives. Never work under unsupported loads, as hydraulic systems can fail instantly and unexpectedly. To prevent such accidents, it is vital to always use mechanical safety locks or jack stands and strictly adhere to lockout-tagout protocols to ensure machinery is fully stabilized before any repairs begin. In this footage, a forklift operator transporting scrap paper reverses into a pedestrian, leading to a serious collision where the individual becomes trapped. This incident highlights critical safety lapses, specifically a lack of 360-degree awareness from the operator and pedestrian inattention. It serves as a vital reminder that situational awareness is essential for everyone in a workplace. To prevent such accidents, operators must always scan their surroundings and use backup alarms, while pedestrians must stay vigilant, maintain eye contact with drivers, and strictly avoid no-go zones behind active machinery. Always maintain a safe buffer distance and avoid distractions like phones when navigating high-traffic areas to ensure a secure environment for all staff members. This video captures a critical near-miss incident that serves as a powerful reminder of why safety protocols are non-negotiable in industrial settings. The footage shows a factory worker operating a power press who reached into the machine's operating zone before it had fully returned to a safe, neutral position. As the machine began its next cycle, the worker's arm was still in the danger zone, but a split-second reaction prevented a life-altering injury. This highlights the high stakes of manufacturing and the need for strict compliance. Operators must always wait for a full stop, undergo rigorous training, and never take shortcuts for speed. Furthermore, employers must ensure all machinery is equipped with functional safety guards and undergo regular maintenance. Safety should always come first to ensure every worker returns home unharmed at the end of their shift.